Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Anime edit tutorial CapCut. So here I'm gonna give you a quick, fast anime tutorial on how to make an anime edits right here. So as you can see, here's a video clip of the anime edit. So now, all we need to do is first off start off what you want to do with the video. Let's say if you want to make it sad, then you can make it sad. If you want to make it angry, or if you just want to make it like an anime or something like that, I suggest putting in a slow mo. Slow mo sometimes help adjust the things like that. For example, right here we want it to be slow motion right there. Now all we need to do is, let's say here we already slow mo, but here we want it much a little bit slow mo, or the time that she talks right there, we can make it slow motion right there. Now we're gonna just gonna put in our slow motion right there. Maybe we're gonna put adjust curves. See, there you go. Now put it back right there. Okay, put it slow mode right there. It goes a little bit slow right there. Going slow. There you go. As you can see right there, that length. Where should this length right here? When when he has the power, it's gonna be much go slower, and then when she talks, and then when she goes back talking, goes fast again. Now after adding that to make it much more, the video, animated video, more look much more cool, is we can adjust its zoom level now. So our next thing right here, this part, when she talks, we're gonna zoom it in on her face. So here we're gonna start right over here. Now to do that, just click on the video right here. Now we're gonna add that right there. And here, as it slows down, add it right there. Okay, so we're gonna add this part right here, slowed right here, zoom to your face. There you go. Then we're gonna put it back to normal right over here. There you go. Right over here, we're gonna put it back to normal. There you go. Now play. So now once we play this part, so the cool part right here, then poof. You guys can see the cool parts are the boy starts powers. Camera zoom in on her, zoom out, then poof, back to normal. So yeah, there you go. Now we're gonna add a little bit of effects right here. So here we're gonna add the camera focus effect right here. There we go. Camera focus effect. If you're doing like something like a TikTok or something like that, I believe that's a good thing to add. But now it's just a anime thing, so I suggest adding a little bit of a um, uh, dynamic into it. Something like a little bit dark, but not that dark. Something like this, like a memory. So you're making it like a memory. On this memory, camera zoom in on her, and out, back normal. There you go. And then after that, you can add a little bit of a you can add a little bit of a glitch to it, but we're not gonna put it all glitch. We're gonna put half of it glitch. then half not glitch right here. So we're gonna put it right just there. So once his power starts showing up, shows that the screen, even the people glitch. Even our screen will glitch when his powers comes and goes back to normal. So it's a bit of like a memory of a person, as you can see right here. Like a memory, and then when the powers came, it glitches and it focuses on her. You go back, then boom, back to normal. Just a little bit scary at the same time. Not scary, a little bit of a vibe. Now, after applying that, we can add some transition when it turns scary on the scary time. You can add this one right here. So when the powers comes, there we go, and boom, back to normal. There you go, guys. That's a quick anime edit to make a cool anime video. So you see right now we made the cool anime video. There you go. And then whoop, back to normal. So there you go, guys. I suggest putting time on this and make it much more cooler, and you can use much more stuff here on CapCut. So there, I hope you guys like the video, because you enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it down in the comment section below. Happy to answer you, and thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.